Welcome to Ben Talks Money. Here we discuss stocks, investments, ETFs, and personal finance.
Hello there and welcome back to Ben Talks Money. My name is Ben. I have an MBA in Finance and Management. I've been trading for 8 years and I'm a full-time options trader. In today's video, just like we do every morning, we take a look at the stocks that are making the most moves on the market. These are the stocks that every single trader will be looking at today. So if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, and humbly, please help me get to 4,000 subscribers. I feel like I'm stuck there and your subscription will help me go in a long way. So before we start, let's take a look at the QQQ to see where the market will be heading today. If we look at it, there is a huge data coming in at 8:30 today. That will be the December employment data coming in today at 8:30. So it's going to move the market in one direction or the other. But now the Nasdaq is beginning to move up a little bit. We've been hanging in here around this area for a long time. If you look at the daily chart, we've been hanging in this area for a long time, trading between 590 to 628. We've been in that zone for more than a month now. So are we going to get a breakout of that zone or are we going to break down? Now we are sitting here around $622 as of the time of recording. So let's see how the market do today. Let's see what happens when the employment data comes in at 8:30. But some stocks are making a lot of moves today, and that's what we are going to trade today. And the first one on the list today is Oklo. Basically all the nuclear stocks, right? Oklo had a deal with Meta, Oklo, Vistra, and I think one other company, I forgot the name, they had a deal with Meta, and it's moving the entire market, the entire sector is going crazy this morning. And that's what we are going to look at today. Oklo is up 17% as of the time of recording, and it's right now sitting here around $114.30, sitting right here in this zone. You can see that this zone, you know, is some form of little bit of a resistance in that area around 117. You see there will be a little bit of resistance in the area here around 117, and you see here exactly where it's sitting here in a resistance zone. So Oklo is something that we are going to take a look at. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a little bit of a pullback when the market opens and then later on it starts to go, or when the employment data comes in and it's favorable for the market. I wouldn't be surprised if the market open and this thing is up 20-25%, right? I wouldn't be surprised in each direction. So let's look at Oklo when the market opens. The next one that we take a look at is SMR. This is another name that is going crazy today. Right now, SMR is up almost 12% as of the time of recording. It's sitting here around $22. You can see here, this name is sitting here around $22, and the $22 zone is coming to a little bit of a resistance in that area around $22. And the 50-day SMA is sitting here right around $22.80, which gives us a little bit more room to go in this name. So I'll be looking closely at this. Let's to see how it's going to go. These names, the thing is that if they decide to go, they can go crazily, right? So in whatever direction, make sure that you get the direction right. When you get the direction right, this name can print you money today. But if you get the direction wrong, you can ruin your account. So just be mindful of this name. Another name in the same sector that we are watching today is Vistra, VST. Vistra. This name also has a deal, it was part of the deal with Meta to provide them with nuclear power for the next 20 years. So it's a huge deal. That's why the name is going up. It's right now up 14% as of the time of recording, sitting here at around $172 right now. So it's a name that we are going to definitely pay attention to. But if you look at the daily chart, you can see that this name, there's a little bit of a convergence here between the 50-day and then the 200-day, right? You see the 200-day is the blue line, the 50-day is the red line. You can see there's a little bit of a convergence in this area. And right now, where we are sitting here, we are coming into that area, right? The 50 days are around 172. That's where we were a few seconds ago. We just pulled back to 170. The 200 days are around 174. So ideally, I would like to see this name above 175. Break above 175, hold, see volume, then you can take a trade. But other than that, it's too much traffic in this area. You see a convergence of the 50-day and the 200-day. It needs to break and hold above it. If it holds above it, it gives us a strong support to take a trade, probably a swing trade. If by the time the market closed, we are above this, I would definitely look at this to see if I can take a swing trade in this name, okay? But I need to see it above 175. That'll be my my take on this. The next name that we take a look at also in this sector is NNE. NNE. So NNE, this name is sitting here right now, 8% up, and it's sitting $35.80. And you can see that it just broke above the 50-day. Right? It broke above the 50-day today. So the 50 days are around $34.28. So let's see if it's able to hold above it. Right? If it's able to hold above it, it will be incredible for us to see, because these names have a lot of room. they've dropped a lot from their highs. This was about $61 right now, sitting here, even with 8% up. 8% up is still sitting here around $35. SMR was almost $60, and it's right now sitting here around $22. So there's a lot of room for this to go if the momentum continues. There's a lot of room. So you just have to be mindful. And if you are swinging, swing it well. I've been in SMR for almost a week now, right? I've taken some profit. I've added it back. So this move is great for my options that I have on SMR. Okay. So the next name that we are going to take a look at outside the nuclear name is Open Door. Open Door. This was the name that I was going to focus on today until the news came in for the nuclear names. And this name is up almost 9% as of the time of recording, and it's right now sitting here at about $7. But you can see that the 50-day SMA is at exactly $7, right? If it's sitting here at exactly $7. So we need to see if you can hold above it. Definitely not taking the trade right like 1 cent or 2 cents into the 50-day. There's no way I'm taking the trade on here. But if you're able to break above and hold, I'm definitely going in and see where this name is going. Okay, so that's it for the video. The goal is basically going to focus on the nuclear names. Today is for the nuclear names, nothing more. Okay, and we'll see what happens when the employment data comes in, where the NASDAQ and the Dow is going to do. If we get a momentum in the market, these names are going to go crazy and probably continue next week. Okay, so let me know in the comment section, what are you trading today? Are you trading SMR or Oklo or Open Door? Those are the three that I'm looking at: Oklo, SMR, and Open Door. Let me know in the comment section, what are you watching today? What is your strategy for the day? Are you swinging these names or are you just day trading them? Let me know in the comment section, and if this video is helpful to you, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And until next time, let's keep talking money.